All right, folks, this is how you make a fantastic gourmet breakfast at the workplace, in the office, in the break room. All you need, freezer bags. Not sandwich bags, but freezer bags. Your ingredients here, 2 eggs. Crack your eggs into the bag, just like so. Put your 2 eggs in the bag, see? And then you just mush them up. Yeah, so, there you go. Then you put your ingredients, whatever you like. Like, got some onion, sweet onion, some cheese in there, some green pepper, some mushroom, I like mushroom in mine, diced ham, a little salt, a little pepper. There you go. Gonna mix those in. You can put anything you want in there. Bacon, sausage, whatever. This is what I like. A little omelet. Then you want to seal your Ziploc freezer bag. You want to use a freezer bag, not a sandwich bag. Very important. So then what you do, you just throw this into your refrigerator or your lunch box or your lunch bag and pull it out the next day at work, throw it in the microwave, and in about a minute, you'll have breakfast. A gourmet omelet breakfast. Check it out. Make sure you open the bag. Throw it in the microwave. Set the bag in there like so. 1 minute. And you let it go. And it's going to be an awesome, amazing breakfast you can have at work. You know, when you're at work, one of the few things we got to look forward to is eating. That's why everybody loves free donuts and lunch and pizzas. It's one of the few treats we have at work. So this is something you can do. You can prepare the night before. I'm just cooking it now to show you. Normally what I do is I'll take that to work. I'll throw it in a grocery bag and put it in my refrigerator the next morning. I'll get it out, put it in my work bag, and I'll take it to work with me. When my first break, throw it in the microwave. And every microwave's a little bit different. You know, a minute is plenty. I have actually spoke with scientists, literally spoke with them, and yet reassured for them, because I get these comments all the time. Oh, you're going to get toxic poisons from the bag. No, you don't. That bag doesn't release any chemicals or it doesn't break down until it gets hot enough for the bag to actually break down. Just like any other microwavable bowl or anything else. That's why you use the freezer bags. Sandwich bags, now they do tend to break down a little quicker. Just check it out. Oh yeah, that is perfect. It's not hot enough to break down this freezer bag. Let's plate this up. Here we go. Beautiful, perfect omelet breakfast at work in less than a minute in the microwave. And it is amazing. Share this with anyone at your workplace that you like. Help their workday be a little bit better too.